What are you looking at, scammer? The dad, the man, the myth, the legend. Listen guys, I want to tell you guys something straight up. All right, so now I'm going to try to give you guys a lot of education today. If you guys haven't gotten my free ebook, it's a neuropsychology course on trading, guys, and it's faith-based. I made it for free, guys, man. I do truly believe it'll help you guys out a lot, man, as it has helped out most of my group, and it's helped me a lot too, become way more consistent, in the markets, guys. I promise you guys, it will be life-changing, and that's why I made it for free. I'm doing things different, guys. I know you guys have seen it. Don't avoid it. Don't fight it. Just submit. Anyways, listen, I'm gonna hit you guys with some OBS right now, guys. And yo, I'm telling you, man, we're killing it, guys. Yo, I do want to say something to you guys also before I let you go. I love you guys so much. Okay. All right, my boys, let's get into it. All right, guys, so what we're going to be going over is this is basically the greatest trading plan I've ever had, the greatest strategy I've ever had. Again, guys, this is how my boy who trades GBP flows trades, guys. Again, he is a Goldman Sachs junior desk trader, and I promise you guys, this trading strategy will change your freaking life, dude. Just pay attention, all right? Put all the pride and ego to the side, guys. This is the most legendary thing I've ever done, and I've been trading it the last month, and I don't want to gatekeep it. I want to share it, and I've already made one video on it, but hey, we're going to do another video, right? So now, the only thing we're going to be going over in this strategy is simple, right? We're going to be going over a few things, which is support and resistance. We already know support and resistance, correct? We're going to be going over the accumulation and distribution, which is this area down here. We're going to be going over the fixed range volume profile, correct? Which is this indicator right over here, fixed range volume profile. And how we run this is we run this by market structure, correct? So you'll understand, guys, as we go along. So let's put this here. So you'll understand, right? And I'll explain to you everything to you guys. So sometimes we won't use it, but I'll be real with you, it does come in clutch on the higher time frames, right? This is the 15-minute time frame. So we'll be going over the 300 SMA, the 200 SMA, and the 50 SMA. So if you guys don't know about the 300 SMA, it is considered the heavyweight overall direction indicator. It is a heavyweight compared to the 200 and the 50. Remember, the 50 is kind of a shorter term, the 200 is a medium longer term, and the 300 is kind of just the OP powerhouse of it all, correct? So now we're using a lot of forms of support resistance, and as well as the candle confirmations, guys. Plus, being in session is the best thing to do, correct? Now, one thing I do like about the accumulation distribution is you guys kind of get to see where smart money is getting out and accumulating and distributing. So you'll see a lot of traps, and you'll see a lot of traps. So when I say you'll see a lot of traps, you will see every single time you possibly got screwed over, correct? So now look over here. Now I do want to show you something here. So it does look like we are most likely going to bleed. It is 1:15 in the morning. Now I ain't gonna lie, we are under the 50. We are bearish. No, we are bullish. Sorry, we are bullish, right? So now, where would we be bearish? We would be bearish with breaks and retests under 203,950 area, correct? This is the only place we're bearish. Remember, we have to use market structure overall, correct? Now, look at the next candle. Notice how this next candle is giving us a little mini support. Now we'd have to do the 2-candle rule. Remember the 2-candle rules? We have to wait for the next 2 candles. Boom. So now notice how the accumulation distribution, it just completely just ate all of these highs right over here, and we are aggressively pushing up, right? So now I do want to show you guys that the next candle, as you can see, will be a hammer, a bull hammer. Now we have break meters of 50 SMA down here as well. Notice how the accumulation distribution is aggressively taking out all of these highs over here on the accumulation distribution. Yes, guys, this is a perfect example of a buy, right? So even over here is a 1-to-1. Remember, you guys, 1-to-1 is always a winner. Don't let anybody disqualify you because you trade 1-to-1. And as you can see, this was just completely super aggressively high, taking away all of these highs over here in the accumulation. Now, I won't be a liar here. This is a great scaling confirmation, correct? And as you can see, man, this was just completely beautiful. It was very beautiful. It was a very solid, aggressive push. And if you would have just went maybe for a 1 to 2, you could have even got a 1 to 3, to be honest. So guys, this is kind of what we're looking for. This is a great confluence. This is a great strategy, guys. And as you can see on session, we had a bullish engulfing. We had respects of the 50 SMA, guys. This was just a complete golden setup, man. This was a great setup. Now I do want to show you guys the setup that I did take as well. I want to show you this setup that I did take over here at 12 o'clock. I took one last night. Look at that. See, it looks possibly bearish. Ranging, but we are breaking highs. Notice that? Notice that? Not in session though. Boom. All right, kind of looks like it's gonna drop. You see? It looked like it was gonna drop and it dropped. Listen, now I know it's not fair because I'm in replay mode, but again, guys, you guys have to, let's go straight to the 30-minute. I'm sorry, this is taking too long. Boom, 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 boom. Right, so now this was a trade that I did take. You see this drop over here at 2:30 in the morning? Yeah, you know, we took those. So now this is an amazing freaking trade, dude. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I loved this trade. There was nothing better than taking this trade live with fun of everybody. Remember, we live stream every single day, Monday through Thursday, 4 days a week. Now, this is a trade that I did take, right? Now, we are breaking under all these lows. Now, I am trading zone to zone on this one. So I did have this level of support. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Now, the thing is, this is 23, right? So I did take this way before London session, right? Now, you'll see the next candle. So this is why I took this candle. So I took this candle on the break. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I took this candle on the break. Now, the reason why I took this candle on the break was because I have many forms of resistance here. I could put my highs over here. And of course, I did take out these lows and I am under the 200 SMA. So as you guys can see, we'll wait till we retest the 200 SMA. Now I have triple confirmation as a resistance why my trade is really good to have a stop loss up here. Why? Because I have this level of resistance, break and retest. I have the 200 SMA and I have the fixed volume profile. Underneath this yellow line, that means sellers are in control, guys. They are in control. So now all I have to do is just be patient and sorry. And as you can see, let's look at my accumulation distribution. Ha ha ha. Notice how we are still aggressively bearish. You see that? So even though, oh man, I'm sorry, give me a second, ADHD. So now, as you can see here, you'll notice how we are kind of pointing to the downside. Boom. Boom. Now, amazing. Here's another perfect example, right? So notice how we had a massive rejection. We closed doji just like our first example, but we are aggressively pointing to the downside. This would have been the most solid indication for a sell. Look at that. We caught that live. I am telling you, boys, this is the most greatest strategy I've ever traded ever. And I really do hope you guys pay attention because I'm going to give you guys as much as I can. And here's proof. As you can see here, we caught that live over here. This is my boy who sent me, like that was us. We caught the whole trade. See, look. Dude, this was insane. It's my brother. We're going to have a great trading session today. It's my brother. We're going to have a great trading session today. I'm telling you, this is a crazy thing. Let's go. And you up like me? Look at that thing, dude. Live. I'm telling you guys. Yeah, I had something in my throat. Oh. I don't know what it was. But anyways, guys, listen. Man, guys, you got to keep in mind, man. I have ADHD, man. I still have a child's brain. Sheesh. Coffee drink. 1 second. Listen. Don't hate the player. Hate the game. Now, let's keep going. So we caught that all live, man. This was a great freaking trade, dude. This was an amazing trade. Now I did see a buy pullback right over here in this area right after, but of course, can't be too greedy with it. Now, notice over here something. I want to show you guys something here, right? So now we did have a level right over here, which was another level support and resistance. You can see here, and we do have a support over here. So I ain't gonna lie to you, boys. If you really wanted to, notice over here, if you were waiting for buys, you could have caught this pullback, correct? Now, aggressive, yes, but I would take it, right? So you could do a little zone to zone trade here. Why? We have bullish engulfing after bullish engulfing after bullish, well, not bullish engulfing, but we have bullish closure after bullish closure after bullish closure. And then our accumulation distribution is showing us that we are completely ripping above these highs over here. So, I mean, this would have been a nice buy right there. And you would have gotten a 1-to-1 before, of course, the retracement, right? So again, this is a very solid strategy, guys. So let's keep going. I do want to remove this here, and I do want to go over this whole entire bear pullback here, and I want to show you guys how we could have caught all these moves, right? I know some of you guys might say this is cheating, but remember, guys, what happens when you're in the NFL Super Bowl, man? You got to watch replays of your old team, man. Now, this is called the reticular, it's called the RAS. Activation system, reticular activation system. Sorry, there's a garbage truck at freaking 3 in the morning taking all the trash outside. Literally, I can hear it, and the people are talking crap. It's funny. Listen, now, reticular activation system is when you start seeing something many times. You have to do this during replay mode. You have to replay mode, guys. Replay the strategy many times, so that way when your brain sees the confluences, it becomes normal. Like, remember when you guys bought your first car and then you see the car everywhere else? It's always been there. It's just now your brain sees it as relevant, right? Do the same with the strategy, correct? So this is 17:30. We are nowhere near session. Now we are in, oh, okay, cool. So I do want to show you guys here. Let's just do some complete support and resistance. Solid area. Again, now let's do another level of support. Overall support would be here, and would be another area. Solid area right here. Oh, 100%. And we can keep going, correct? So, I mean, we already know it's bearish, boys. We know it. Yes, remember, we are in replay mode. But again, we are practicing here. So over here, now, I want to show 2 more candles. Boom. Now, notice here on the accumulation distribution, we just took out all of these lows right over here, but on price, we didn't. I'll be real with you guys. Look, if you would have took a trade right over here, now look at this. You got clapped, right? This is not the trade. This is not the time. But notice how over here, we are at 130, and now it kind of seems to be looking good, but we are bearish engulfing. I'll be real with you, my boys. I'll be real with you. We got to stick to session. We got all these other influencing things, confluences in the market that can help us win this trade. So don't be getting too greedy because you see that, right? You have to stick to session most of the time, because I'll be real, most of my losses come because I'm a little too early. I ain't gonna lie, and I'll be getting a little trigger happy, right? So notice how we rejected the 50 SMA. Now, if we were to take a sell right over here, we could have a 30 pip stop loss, knowing that we have a 1-to-1 target over here. Let's see, we are still early, but we won the trade. That was nice, right? So again, we gave our trade a second chance, but again, guys, we had freaking no volume, dude. So what happens? If you have no volume, you will be the volume. If there is no liquidity, you will be the liquidity, right? I don't know the ICT level for that, but whatever. If you lose, it's manipulation, correct? Just kidding. Coffee break. Anyways, look, my boys. So we have to always keep in mind, now we have a great, massive bearish engulfing, and then we have a lot of volume. And on top of that, keep in mind, this is 1:30 in the morning. Remember, the 4-hour candle opens at 1 in the morning. So now notice how we rejected the 50 SMA. I'm telling you, man, we have more confluences. Now, I know we would have probably took some potential buys here, but you have to keep in mind, bro, if we would have come back all the way over here, look at this. If we would have come back over here, notice how this does look good for a buy. It does look good for a buy, but again, you got clapped. This would have been your indication, sorry, to get out. Right over here, this would have been your indication to get out. So this would have been a nice indication just to get out. And if we would have looked at the 1 hour, let's see. Ooh, yeah, no, 1 hour was a bearish engulfing crazy candle. Now 1 hour, let's see if we can spot something here on this doji, this bearish doji. So no, to be honest, no. If you notice something here, I can kind of see something pointing somewhere down there. So I mean, I'll be real with you, would you want to have taken this trade? Probably not, man. We did reject a massive resistance, and as you can see, guys, we are kind of breaking a whole entire channel. So let's be real, I wouldn't even want to have taken that buy. Maybe I did, who knows? No, I'm just kidding. I won the whole entire week, that whole bear run. That was pretty awesome. I just lost on the last day of the week. But anyways, we're not gonna go into that, all right? I'll be real with y'all. I was on a nasty win streak until that Friday of this week. I caught all these sells over here, right? And they are live. You can check the replays, guys. They are live. No need to lie. All right. Now listen, if you would have probably gotten clapped, don't worry. You could have gotten out. We go into 30-minute over here. Now, boom. Again, that would have been your right. Get out. Boom. Simple. Why? Because now officially we are breaking under these lows. So now that we broke under these lows, you probably would have gotten out over here. Now I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's not easy to switch your bias, but of course it gets pretty easy as long as you are following the strategy, correct? So 1-to-1 already hit. This would have went for a almost 1-to-2, which is pretty solid. Again, now we are breaking lows under all this accumulation distribution. Now we still have another session to go. Boom. Now we are bullish completely. We are now officially breaking all these lows, coming back for a retest. Now let's see if we can get a pullback. Okay, cool. Now, oh man, I was gonna say this doji looked great, but I clicked to way too much. Now let's see what the accumulation distribution looked like. Yep, look at that. So next candle is pretty great. Notice here, the same thing, my boys. Notice how we have a bearish engulfing candle right over here. This is the most gruesome candle in the world. Just kidding. This is a little bear weakling candle, whatever you guys want to call it, man. I don't know what you guys call it, bro. Every single time I call it whatever I call it, bro, people always hate me. So you know what, man? Hate on me. I don't care. I'm profitable. Listen, so this would have been a nice indication. Again, this is another perfect example. We've been seeing this example left and right. And as you can see, guys, notice even though we have barely no volume here, some people would say this is a buy, but the accumulation distribution says otherwise. Notice over here, again, notice over here, we are at the bottom, but this area right over here is aggressive sells, right? So how is it possible we are matching here on the accumulation distribution? I'm telling you, brother, this is the holy grail. And as you can see, bam, could have gone into a sell right there. Breakfast, you would have had some great money for breakfast right over there. So again, guys, I need you guys to keep paying attention to this thing, man. You have to be super paying attention because this thing is great. It is super great. And then this whole entire week, I just won this whole entire week here. It was amazing, man. It was really great, bro. It feels great to win with a lot of people. Of course, I give all the glory to my God, man. I'm telling you, the best thing I ever did was give my life to him 2.5 months ago. And man, let me tell you, man, God, if you didn't know, God has many names in the Bible, right? Especially in the Old Testament. But this one over here is called El Shaddai. El Shaddai. When you pray to El Shaddai, you are praying to the God of nothing is impossible. I'm telling you guys, man. Now, the book here is called Praying the Names of God for 52 weeks, right? So expanded edition. So keep in mind, guys, God has many names in the Old Testament. El Shaddai, he has Yahweh Yireh. I pray to those names more than anything because Yahweh Yireh is the one that he provides provision, overflow, and abundance, correct? And I'll be real with you, man. He has come through for me in ways that only he can, bro. He can. So I definitely recommend this book if you are a Christian, you didn't know about it. But again, let's keep going, guys. I want to finish this whole little run here. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So now over here, this is an early session trade. Notice how we did take all these lows. If you would have took here, notice, remember what I said, if there is no wallet liquidity, you will be the liquidity. Oh man, we won automatically. Sheesh. Anyways, we do this, my brothers. So again, guys, I mean, it's all there, man. Market structure, candle structure, freaking accumulation, distribution. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I haven't used the fixed volume profile indicator. Why? Because I don't really need it here. Again, I like to use that if we are just ranging crazy and I don't know where I'm going. So let me just use it for the next one, just to kind of show you guys what could be possible. Now, the way I would run that is I would run that over here, straight up from here to here. Let's see. And super bearish, but we have a level of support over here. Now notice here, oh, what time is this? 8 in the morning. Oh sheesh. So now notice how we did fake out underneath this area. Remember, underneath this area, buyers are in control, sellers are in control. So I would run that there. And as you can see, once we close bearish engulfing, notice now here we are completely engulfing here, but we have not really engulfed anywhere. It doesn't really look like it. So this could be possibly a fake out, and I was most likely correct. Now notice how it's acting as level support and resistance. Let's see what the next candle has to offer us. Break and retest. Now again, we are completely looking bearish over here. This looks bearish. This is massive rejections. Now if you were to do this, oh, ain't gonna lie, we are ranging crazy. So I mean, would you really want to still hold this trade? Let's be real. No. Again, notice how we started trading above this area. Now we started being bullish. We broke all these highs over here on the accumulation distribution. Again, guys, don't marry a setup. Don't marry a setup. You will always have great trades. Again, now we use multiple confluences. We had support here. We started trading above this area. And as you can see, man, we completely just got clapped. Now, what time is it? It is Asian session. Now, freaking, anyways, I sometimes let go. All right, so last setup. Boom, there we have it. Support over here. We have nice support, rejection of 50 SMA. Now we did take out all these lows over here, guys. Keep in mind, indication is showing that we are bearish, and we are trading underneath the fixed volume profile. All we need is a great bearish engulfing candle, and this closed bullish, but notice here we closed bearish. Dude, I'm telling you, you need to pay attention. And boom, there you have it. Look how aggressive this was. Took out all these lows, and again, that could have been your indication, guys. Again, we took all these trades on the live stream, guys. You guys can go watch my replays if you guys don't believe me. But again, guys, I'm showing you guys the greatest trading strategy that I have ever traded, and I just want to give it to you guys for free, man. I don't want to charge for this, but the thing is, you guys need to be invested in your time. Just take the strategy, guys, study it, and I promise you guys will be able to freaking master this. I did it in literally over 150 trades on back testing, guys. Again, guys, click the link in my bio of this, and yo, come join us, bro. If you guys don't want to join the community, I have 150 members. Yo, let's go. They said I would never, right? So but God said, yeah, all right, let me prepare a table in front of your enemies. So listen, if you guys don't want to join the community, it's only $30, but if you guys want to just join the community, you can join our live trading community, which is free, right? So I have the group chat, which we have 150 members. I'll be real with you. If you guys are in my group chat, I'll be real with y'all. Y'all be annoying and waking me up at 8 in the morning with the spam. All right. Now, just kidding, man. Shout out to J Steel. Listen, it's free. It's free to live trade with us. I'll answer all your questions. I love it, man. We are a faith-based community. Again, guys, we are killing it and we are taking over, guys. We are growing every single day. And I'm telling you, what happens, what they say, when you grow on the rock, it will never fall, my boys. So, man, join the greatest community in the freaking world. It's faith-based, and I promise you guys, man, I do want to show you guys what it is to win. But hey, man, you got to be committed. All right, guys. So God bless all y'all, and leave a thumbs up, man. Let's get this algorithm going, guys. Let's get it.